Are you tired of city life? Then this video is for you. India has serene corners waiting to be explored. If you're ready to escape honking traffic and crowded metros, keep watching. We highlight 5 incredible places in India, prioritizing peace over city noise. The last is my favorite. First, Bir in Himachal Pradesh, the paragliding capital with remote work potential, cozy cafes, and stunning mountain views. Next, Auroville in Tamil Nadu, a mindset, vibrant community, organic food, and soulful living. Ideal for sustainable lifestyles and meditation. Please like our video and subscribe to Reclimatize TV for more. Third, Majuli in Assam, the world's largest river island. Experience life at a slower pace, perfect for digital detox and cultural immersion. Fourth, Panchgani in Maharashtra, quieter than Lonavala with stunning hills and fresh strawberries. Enjoy remote work and weekend hikes to set new goals. Finally, my favorite, Vakala in Kerala, chill beaches, Ayurvedic cafes, and a laid-back vibe, less commercial than Goa. Remember, peace is a priority. If city noise overwhelms you, log out, pack up, and seek calm. Comment on where you'd move if the chaos disappeared. Like and subscribe to Reclimatize TV for more insightful videos.